Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to log into Betterment, an innovative platform designed to help you grow your wealth effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you are comfortable with. Step 2. Visit the Betterment website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.betterment.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Betterment homepage. Step 3. Locate the login button. Once you're on the Betterment homepage, look for the login button. You can typically find it in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your Betterment account in the designated field. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, type in your password. Ensure that you input it correctly, as passwords are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it. Step 6. Click on Login. After filling in your email and password, click the Login button to access your account. Step 7. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will need to enter the code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Input the code and click Verify. Step 8. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Betterment dashboard. Here, you can view your investment performance, account balance, and various tools to help you manage your investments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more valuable content on growing your wealth and managing your finances.